everyone, this is Kelly Hammond from Reno, Nevada, and tonight I'll be talking about using your intuition or your inner voice, or some people call it the Holy Ghost, but whatever you call it, we're going to be talking about that. Now, one of my most favorite books is called The Gift of Fear by Gavin de Becker, and he's somebody that's interviewed people that have been through heinous crimes and has been victims of those crimes, and he's always asked them, did you have any idea that this was going to happen to you, or that such and such was going to do whatever? And inevitably he says that most victims say, no, I had no clue. And then he makes a pregnant pause afterwards and waits for a few seconds. And within those seconds, the victim will inevitably say, oh, I thought I heard, I thought I saw, I thought I felt. 99% of what you feel, your inner voice, that voice that you hear, or that feeling that you feel when you think, oh, that guy just doesn't feel right. He just doesn't, it feels like he's telling a lie. Or that feeling that something just isn't right. Listen to that voice, because in part of self-exploration and discovery and finding your way through this life and making U-turns is by listening to that inner voice. Now, often we've been told not to listen to that, and that possibly that we're being judgmental. And I'm going to tell you that it's not judgmental. So if you look at a woman and say, oh, that skirt's too skinny, or that skirt is too tight, or that skirt is too short, oh baby, type of deal, that's being judgmental. However, if you see somebody and go, oh my goodness, I just don't trust that person for some reason, listen to that voice, as well as listen to your voice when you're trying something new, because in self-exploration and discovery and trying to find your way through these U-turns, you need to listen to that inner voice and let that inner voice dictate where you're going to go and what you're going to do and whether or not it's right for you. That inner voice is there for you. So I hope you have a great night. Bye!